Exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations around the world, Saily works effectively in regions beyond major tourist areas, helping you stay connected even when venturing into less traveled parts of the world on your unique adventure. How? Let me show you. To get your coupon code, type idealcoupons.com into the address bar and visit our website. Our website features discount codes for many popular brands. Don't forget to visit our site before you shop. Go to the search bar at the top of the website. Search for Saily. Just below, you will see Saily Coupon Code. Click on it. The coupon codes page will open. From the list, click Show Code next to the coupon you want to use. Go to Saily.com, click the Destinations menu and select the country you'll use. On the page that opens, choose the package that suits you and click Go to Checkout. On the next page, enter your coupon code and get your discount. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.